As you can see, I got the error corrupt game data. Please reboot, verify the game data or reinstall the game. To fix this problem, just press the Alt tab and close using Task Manager or it will automatically close. Right click on the game and select the open file location. Scroll up, right click on the mods folder and select delete option and select the yes option. And now the game will launch without problem. And now as you can see the game opens up without having any problem. And I hope this video helped you. If the video helped you, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe. Thank you.